Are you curious about how the wealthy manage to keep increasing their wealth, while many others find it hard to make ends meet? Stay with us as we unlock the secrets of mastering money with lessons from Robert Kiyosaki, a renowned financial educator. In this video, we'll explore the power of money, the need for financial education, and how emotional control and life skills factor into your financial success. Have you ever asked yourself why the rich keep getting richer? They've cracked the code. They make their money work for them. Like a tireless worker, their wealth is continuously on the job, generating passive income. This secret sauce is a wisdom nugget from Robert Kiyosaki. He teaches us that the rich don't just earn money, they invest it in assets that provide a steady stream of income. The key takeaway? The first step towards financial freedom is to stop working for money and start making money work for you. Imagine owning a weapon but not knowing how to use it. That's money without financial education. Just as a weapon is powerful in the hands of a skilled warrior, money too, when understood and managed effectively, can become a powerful tool for creating wealth. Kiyosaki often emphasizes the importance of financial education. He asserts that it's our greatest asset. Why? Well, financial education equips us with the knowledge on how to make money work for us, rather than us working for money. It teaches us how to manage our finances to ensure we're not just earning, but also saving, investing, and growing our wealth. It gives us the ability to distinguish between assets and liabilities, to make informed decisions that lead to financial security and prosperity. In essence, financial education is not just about understanding money. It's about understanding the systems and strategies that allow money to grow. So consider financial education as your most valuable asset, the one that multiplies all the others. Ever bought something you thought was an asset, only to find it draining your wallet? You're not alone. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. He paints a simple picture. An asset puts money in your pocket, while a liability takes it out. That new car you bought? It's likely a liability, depreciating in value and costing you in maintenance and insurance. Conversely, an investment property that generates rental income, that's an asset, a true friend to your wallet. But understanding assets and liabilities is just part of the puzzle. Emotional control is another crucial piece. Kiyosaki warns against allowing emotions like fear and greed to cloud your financial judgment. You've probably heard stories of people who, driven by the fear of missing out, jumped into risky investments and ended up losing their shirts. Or perhaps tales of those who, motivated by greed, held on to a plummeting stock, hoping for a turnaround that never came. These are classic examples of emotions leading to poor financial decisions. Kiyosaki encourages us to make financial decisions based on logic and reason, not emotions. So next time you're about to make a financial move, take a moment, breathe. Ask yourself, is this an asset or a liability? Am I being driven by fear or greed? Remember, an asset puts money in your pocket, a liability takes it out, and never let emotions overrule your financial logic. Money isn't the only thing you need to work for. Life skills are equally, if not more, important. Kiyosaki firmly believes in this. He encourages us to cultivate financial skills like investing, budgeting, and negotiating. Why? Well, these skills are your ticket to long-term financial success, your tool to making your money work for you. But here's the thing. The road to success isn't always smooth. Kiyosaki says, failure inspires winners and defeats losers. Failure, as scary as it sounds, is a crucial part of our learning process. It's not a dead end, but a detour to a better route. And while we're on this journey, it's important to remember that risk is our companion. Kiyosaki advises us to take calculated risks. He's not talking about gambling your life savings away, but managing your risks wisely so you don't end up losing everything. So gear up to acquire skills, embrace failure, and learn to dance with risk. What's your reason for wanting to be wealthy? And are you paying yourself first? These are two critical questions that Robert Kiyosaki urges us to ponder upon. He emphasizes the importance of minding your own business, carving out your unique financial roadmap, and not getting swayed by the financial decisions of others. Your wealth journey is unique to you, and comparing it with others can only lead to misguided decisions. Finding a strong personal reason for financial success is a powerful motivator that keeps you driven in your journey towards wealth. It could be anything, from providing for your family to funding your passion project or contributing to a cause you deeply care about. And finally, the principle of paying yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for saving or investing before you spend on anything else. It's the first step towards making your money work for you. So, find your reason, pay yourself first, and remember, your financial journey is yours alone. Today, we've journeyed through the fascinating world of financial freedom. We've discussed the power of money, the need for financial education, the importance of understanding assets and liabilities, and the role of emotional control. We've delved into life skills, the significance of failure and risk, and the essence of minding your own business for financial success. Remember, your reason for seeking wealth is your driving force. Paying yourself first is the first step to financial independence. These lessons are not just about money, but about your life and your journey towards financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more financial wisdom. Your journey to financial freedom starts here and now.